EBike electric bicycle. Powerful riding performance. The S26 electric bike is powered by a 500W brushless motor with a top speed of 25 mph. With a 21-speed system, combined with 26 1.95 tires, it's fit for urban commuting, school, or outdoor exploration. Effortless control. Experience peak efficiency and convenience with our e-bike, featuring a spacious smart display, granting easy access to crucial ride data. Charge 48V/12.8-hour battery in 5.5 hours for up to 22 miles pure electric or 38 miles PARS range. Safe day-night ride. Our customized transmission system is built to withstand the beach and mountain terrain, ensuring utmost durability. The dual disc brakes provide powerful stopping ability, paired with a front shock absorber for comprehensive safe. 3 riding modes. After sales guarantee, we offer a 365-day warranty and 24-hour customer service. Experience versatile riding with our 3 modes electric bike. Choose from effortless cruising, exercise mode, or ride like a normal bike. A gift for everyone. This versatile adult electric bike is the ideal present, which perfects for holidays, birthdays, Thanksgiving and Christmas. Surprise your loved ones with a stylish, eco-friendly, and enjoyable riding experience. The DEEPOWER G20 e-bike presents an impressive blend of power, durability, and versatility, making it one of the best choices in the electric bike market. With its robust 2000W motor and massive 35Ah battery, this bike ensures ample power and extended riding range, perfect for long excursions or daily commuting. The 20-inch 4.0 fat tires provide excellent traction and stability, particularly on challenging terrain like snow or sand, offering riders a smooth and reliable experience in various conditions. Additionally, its adult-sized frame and ergonomic design prioritize comfort and control, catering to a wide range of riders. Whether you're navigating through urban streets or tackling off-road trails, the DEEPOWER G20 e-bike delivers exceptional performance and reliability, making it a top-tier choice for enthusiasts seeking an electric bike that excels in any environment. Designed for convenient city commuting, this e-bike is foldable for easy portability on the go. It comes equipped with front and rear mudguards for daily rides, a phone. Ridstar DC26 electric bicycle. Experience powerful performance with a 1500W brushless motor that allows electric bike to reach impressive speeds of up to 37 mph. With a torque of 80 Nm, it effortlessly conquers 30 deg slopes, providing you with the necessary power to reach your destinations with ease. Enjoy a comfortable and safe ride with 26x 4.0 fat tires for excellent traction. The dual suspension system reduces bumps. Features include 3 riding modes, hydraulic dual brakes, LED lights, and an LCD display showing speed and battery level. The UL-certified 48V20Ah removable and lockable battery provides long-lasting performance. It can be quickly charged in just 4 to 6 hours and offers an impressive range of up to 55 miles. Perfect for adventurous rides or daily commutes, the e-bike is also IP54 waterproof, ensuring durability in various weather conditions. Conquer any terrain efficiently with the 21-speed gear system designed for adult bikes. It features a Shimano 3-speed front derailleur and a Shimano 7-speed rear derailleur, ensuring smooth and precise gear shifting for an optimal riding experience. EU stock original SAMEBIKE LO26 electric bicycle 21 smart speed folding e-bike MTB bike motor 350W with EU plug. Main features: 350W motor provides the max 35 km/h speed and max 35° gradient. 10.4 R48V Li-ion battery included in product for max 40 km mileage with pure electric mode and 70 km mileage with moped mode. 26-inch inflatable rubber tire for different grounds. Folding design, folding size 103x37x 104 cm for convenient carrying. pedal mode, moped mode, and pure electric mode for choose. LED front light to ride at night safely. Suitable for adults and teenagers. Parameters. FEM. Wheel size 26-inch. Motor rated power 350 WA. Battery rated power 499 W. Battery 10.4 ion battery. Charge time 4 hours. Maximum speed 35 km/h. Maximum load 150 kilograms. Input voltage 110 to 40 V. Brake mode front rear disc brake. Transmission Shimano 21 speed. Instrument central LCD instrument with USB function. Fender PVC mudguard. DEEPOWER S26 26-inch electric bicycle. 500 W48 V30 Air lithium battery adult electric mountain bike cross-country e-bike EU delivery. Color black and green. Material iron, aluminum alloy. Waterproof grade IPX4. Suspension type front suspension. Brake front and rear mechanical disc brake. Motor power 500 W brushless motor. Max speed 24 mph. Battery 48V/12.8 lithium ion battery. Charge time 46H. Number of speeds 21 speed. Wheel diameter 26-inch. Mileage range electric mode 19 miles, pedal assist mode 30-45 miles. Max load 300 pounds. Bike weight 55 pounds. Bike type commuting electric bike. Package size 133/2470 cm. Recommended height 5'6". Free accessories front and rear fenders. Other configuration: USB charging port, mobile phone holder, front lights.